Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to SimBuild. SimBuild is a program that we have downloaded for construction technologies, and we've purchased the license to use this tool that the students can grow and learn different aspects of construction without actually being on the construction site. This tool allows us the capability of tracking a lot of different things and their progress. The students will all have to enter their username. I will, for example, and then each student will have their own password, and they'll log in. I'll generate this the very first day, a few days of school. And I tell the students they have the first 9 weeks to complete the shed. You'll see that a lot of the students have achieved a lot further than that, but I would ask the students to go in here and complete each task. As they complete each task, they get a score and a check mark. Now, I'm using this for demonstration only, so with that, I will come in here and we can do like a safety prep or plan reading. Let's click on plan reading, and it says tape measures, calculators, and then study blueprints. This is all within the program, and they have to collect and do each one of these. For instance, on the tape measuring, they learn how to use the controls and navigate around through it. And basically this says select the type of the mark. So you would look down and you would see this mark, and it's basically telling us, okay, is this a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, or a 1/16? Well, this demonstrates to me if they understand how to read a tape. So we'll click on here, 1/8 inch, so that is correct. So then you would go on to the next one. So you would hit enter. Now it says 2 inches here, 24, so you're actually reading 23 inches. There's our half, there's our 3/4, there's our mark, so it would be an 1/8. So that would be 7/8. That's just a demonstration real quick. I'm going to back out of this real quick again, and I'll say okay, and we can go on, but they have to complete each stage of this. With that, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this now, and I'm going to demonstrate the teachers where I can track all of it. This is the dashboard, and so now I can click on the dashboard, I can log in, and I can actually see this is my classes, and we'll click on class, and I can go back to the main menu. I can scroll down and see each part of what they've done. Student report, quizzes. Here, this is what I wanted to show you. This is a class competencies. They can each come in here and you open this up, and now each one has different things. This is a great tool for us to track their progress. I can go over here to competency list, and this actually describes everything the students have learned and demonstrated their capability of understanding before they move on, such as construction math and plan reading. They'll have to calculate the equations using the whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Like I said, this has been a great tool. I've loved having it. It demonstrates to me that the students understand what we're doing, and we can move forward from there. I'm going to go back for a minute, and I want to show you one more thing. You can get SimBuild in the carpentry, also for the industries. Go here, student report. We're going to go with class. Go to gradebook. Pause. Sorry about that. I took a pause real quick. I wanted to show you also where you can keep track of the active grades. So the students' grades are listed here, and I'm capable of understanding how they score in each one. I also can check the progress. This is to tell me if they've completed it 100%. They've only completed 50%. That's just an example. This student just joined us less than 2 weeks ago, so of course she's behind a little bit. We're going to get her started on it, and we can move forward. These are just some examples of what SimBuild has, the capabilities of tracking. due to time, the video, we're supposed to keep it less than 6 minutes. At this point, I'm going to exit out of this. All you have to do is exit. I'm going to close out of here. And once again, I just want to say thank you and have a great day.